Hello everyone, today let me introduce our fully automatic starch jelly candy production line to you. For this line, the capacity is up to 3 tons per hour. The whole line includes a raw material cooking system, a powder placing and drying system, a shape molding system, a depositing system, a tray collecting and transferring system, a set of drying room and destarching system. We can provide you with whole set equipment. And we can help you in raw material, recipes, worker training, installation and commissioning, so we give you with a turnkey solution. You can start your business very smoothly. Welcome to contact with us. I will do my best to support you.